To assemble your sheet pan rack, start by inserting the 2 longer cross braces into the top of the frame. Then take 2 U-brackets and place them over the 2 holes on the outside of the frame. Hand tighten the smaller bolts in each of these holes. Now do the same for the other side of the rack. It's important not to over-tighten the bolts, as this may damage the rack. If you're assembling a full-height rack, repeat these steps for the middle cross braces. Next, insert each caster into the bottom of the frame. Install the 2 locking casters on the same end of the rack. Ensure that the holes in the caster posts align with the holes in the collars. Then place the shorter 2 cross braces over these holes. The larger bolts go through the holes, securing the casters and the posts to the bottom of the rack. Place a sheet pan in the top and bottom of the rack to check that it's square. Finally, tighten each bolt with a wrench and your sheet pan rack is ready to use.